Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the editing room slash arcade room slash surfboard storage room slash spare bedroom. We're just sitting down going through our last little bit of video footage for the day, and then we're going to get packing for Mexico, getting ready to take off here Friday morning, flying out of Toronto and heading for Playa del Carmen. Never been there before. We really want to go do some snorkeling and some diving. The whole trip is based around the girlfriend's sister and her fiance. It's around their wedding. So we can't wait for that. We're going to be shooting a bunch of footage for that as well. And then the rest of the trip, we're pretty much just going to be in the water, snorkeling, diving, playing around. Going to do some walking tour stuff. We're staying at the Fives Beach Hotel, so we're right there. So I'm going to do walking tours of all that stuff. See what's down there. Looks like an absolutely gorgeous spot, beautiful place. I've never been to Mexico before. I've done a lot of places, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, obviously, you know, Australia, East Coast, West Coast here, all of the states, but I've never done Mexico yet, so I'm really intrigued. The girlfriend's been a couple of times, and my aunt and uncle, they've been numerous times as well and can't speak highly enough about it. So we're gonna finish up doing what we're doing here on the edit. And then we're going to get in and get all this stuff packed up. I know there's some tight restrictions about drone stuff, which is kind of a bummer. Same as Nicaragua. I know people can take them in there. I know people have gotten away with taking them in there. I've also heard horror stories of them getting confiscated and you not be able to get them back. I don't really feel comfortable taking apart my drone either to try and take it down in pieces so it doesn't look like a drone. So I'm not too concerned about it. I've got multiple GoPros. We got the camera. I'm trying out these new lapel mics. These new lapel mics are working really well. We're getting ready to shoot some stuff for an upcoming instructional series for a company that we're doing. And I'll put a link in the description below for these microphones right here. It's a great combo. It's a great set. I believe it came from Amazon. So I'm trying all that stuff out. They seem to be working very well. I'm going to try the new gimbal out. So we've been playing with it a little bit the last couple of weeks since we got it. So we're definitely going to use this while we're down south. I've got the big G-dome housing for doing underwater. This is the one that's meant for an iPhone, Samsung, or a GoPro or any action camera. Yeah, other than that, we won't be taking too much else. Pretty much going down with a backpack, and that's about it for me. Got some pretty cool and crazy wedding outfits, t-shirt short combinations that are, you know, pretty Central South American, and I've been trying to find them so I can take them to my house in Nicaragua and leave them there so I have some stuff to always wear and blend in with everybody. We're gonna finish up this quick little edit we're doing, and we're gonna get on with it, and we're gonna get things packed. So if you like what you're watching, you enjoy these videos, go ahead and hit the like and the subscribe wherever they end up going. Check out some of the other videos as well. Definitely appreciate all the support, the likes, the comments. Please comment down below. I like talking to people and seeing where everybody's been. Tell me where you've been, where you're going, where I should go. So many places to check out. Thank you very much for the support, and we'll see y'all in Mexico. Between the two of us, we don't have a lot of stuff. So we'll get this stuff packed away and be on our way.